Hey, it's Greg Luther here on Sunday evening. Didn't know I was going to be doing a live today, so I'm in my Sunday best. No gel in my hair. I got my Hustle on 100 shirt on, probably backwards with our rear camera here. But anyway, today was the best day we've ever had in advertising to pick up buyers and sellers, which is shocking considering what's going on in the world right now. So I wanted to kind of share this with everyone because while everyone else is freaking out and they're watching their TV and they're going to buy toilet paper for some crazy reason, we generated more leads today at a lower cost for buyers and sellers than we've ever had in history. I've been doing this 21 years. We've never generated this many leads at such a low cost. Now, there's a couple of reasons for that. Number one, an awesome ad that's working very, very well. The ad is kind of hitting on their greed glands. So the greed glands are interest rates were just slashed again. Interest rates are at an all-time low. Why wouldn't you capitalize on what's going on with all the fear in the world? Now's the perfect time for you to buy a house. You can buy a house for almost no cost in interest. Right? They'll give you a loan. They're basically paying you to take a loan. So we ran an ad to that effect. I'm going to be showing it tomorrow. I decided I'll kind of release it to everybody tomorrow. So I'm doing a webinar to show you the ad and how well it's working. So that's one of the reasons that we did so well today. The other reason, everybody is inside and everybody is on their phone. Everybody's playing around on social media. So we're just running a simple little ad on Facebook, and that Facebook ad is generating more interest. Not because we're good, and not even because the offer is good, because there's so many people watching right now. All this coming week, a lot of people are going to be working from home. And working from home means you're not doing a whole lot of stuff and you can play around because the boss can't watch. So they're going to be on their Facebook page. And if you have a very simple ad to show them, hey, even if you currently live in a house, now's a good time to sell that home. More buyers qualify because rates are so low. And you can secure your dream home with a very low interest rate. Our lenders will actually let you lock in that rate on Monday morning if you want to. So tomorrow I'm going to show you that ad. I'm doing a whole webinar presentation. I did a webinar Saturday, which went very, very well, and we got rave reviews from that. So let's call this the encore. I'm actually going to do the exact same webinar, but I'm going to add in these ads that we've been testing the last 2 days. The one we did today is just working phenomenally well. So I'm just going to give it to you on the webinar. You're welcome to copy that. I'll show you how we're running it. I'll show you the audience that we're marketing to. Very specific type of people we're marketing to because I want to go to people that currently own a home and want to move up. That means they're doing the, you're getting the double deal. You're getting the listing on their low home, the buyer on the higher end home. So anyway, I'm going to be doing that tomorrow too. There is no registration or login, or I'm not even going to get your name or email or any of that stuff. I'm just going to send a link out. So the only way you can find out about this, if you, first of all, you have to like this video. That's going to tell me you are interested. You'll want to follow this page and turn on notifications, because what I'm going to do is tomorrow, just before I go live, I'm going to go live, or just before I do the webinar, I'm going to go live here, right here on this cell phone, and I'm going to paste the link for you. So that's how you're going to get the link tomorrow. So what I want you to do is I want you to set an alarm on your phone right now so you don't miss tomorrow. There's not going to be a recording available. So set an alarm on your phone right now. It's going to be 2 o'clock Eastern. That's in the Florida time zone, which is 11 a.m. Pacific. That's in the California time zone. So if you're on the Florida coast, it's 2 p.m. If you're on the California coast, it's 11 a.m. There is no link or anything yet. I literally have not set it up in Zoom. But what I'm going to do, I'll jump on Zoom. You'll see me on webcam. And I'm going to go through that webinar, the same one that we did Saturday, but I'm going to add in these slides of these awesome ads. So many of these buyers are getting greedy now. They're like, man, rates have been slashed again. I can get a mortgage for like next to nothing. They're saying they're giving loans. They're cutting interest rates on all of your student loans. They're doing small business loans at 0% interest. I need to get a house right now. We're running ads to that effect. So while everybody else is freaking out in this world, I pointed out today, and I'll probably talk about this tomorrow. You get a little inside scoop here. I pointed out today the difference between successful and unsuccessful people. And this is no joke. The unsuccessful people in life, everything they've done in life is about survival. So they're going out, they're buying all of the food they can find and all of the toilet paper they can find. That's literally what they're doing. Whereas successful people are trying to find out, where can I borrow money? Where can I move money around? Because I want to take advantage of what's going on with the stock market and all of the fear here. We can get stocks at less than half price. We can invest in other businesses. We can create success for ourselves. So literally, successful people are trying to create wealth, and unsuccessful people are getting all of the ingredients that they need to create poop. Think about that. Like, they're literally getting food and toilet paper. Their whole goal in life is to create poop while all of this is happening. Meanwhile, everybody else is trying to create more money. First thing this morning, I'm running ads. I'm testing new things. We ran 3 today that didn't work, but that one was phenomenal. So I'm going to show it to everybody tomorrow. I'm going to show you how you pick up good buyers and sellers. Again, there is no link for me to give you. I can just tell you it's at 2 o'clock Eastern, 11 Pacific. What you'll want to do, like this video, follow this page, and turn on notifications. And when you do that, tomorrow, just before I get on Zoom, I'm going to go on live right here, and I'm going to post that link so that you can jump over on Zoom and watch me there. So what you'll want to do is set an alarm right now for 10 minutes before the start time. You literally want to set that on your phone, because you know how things are. You're going to forget. So set an alarm on your phone right now for Monday. I don't even know what the date's going to be. What is tomorrow's date? 15th, 16th, whatever Monday is. Set an alarm for 1:50 p.m. if you're on the Florida coast, 10:50 a.m. if you're on the California coast. Right about that time, you can be in front of your computer, have some note paper ready, and you'll see me go live just like I am right here, and I'll post that link in the description for you. I haven't even created the link yet, so I'm just putting all this together last minute. So again, I think you'll find it very revealing. I'll tell you today, our views, our ad views are less than a penny a piece. So for $1, we got 100 people in one little marketplace. We got 100 people that are qualified, that are, that are best quality prospects to see that ad. So $5 would get you 500 people based on those numbers. I'll show you how to get that to work for yourself. I'll show you how some of these agents are converting those leads, because I'm telling you right now, I don't know if you've seen it or not. You've definitely seen it if you've been in this business for a while, or if you've got some deals in contract in your business right now. People are backing out. They're scared to freaking, they're thinking, buy a house. Are you kidding me? We got to back out of our contract. And I'm hearing it from a lot of agents all around the country. The shit has hit the fan. Well, why don't we work with the people that want to capitalize on that? Let me tell you, stockbrokers, they're making more money than ever now, because the people that are scared are selling and paying the fee, and the people that are greedy are buying and paying the fee. There's more movement right now. You need to get some movement in your business. So again, we'll be covering it on Monday. It's at 2 o'clock Eastern, 11 Pacific. The only way you'll know is if you have notifications turned on here. I'm going to go live, so you'll get a notice that I'm going live, and I'll post it in the comments here. So hopefully that makes sense for you. Again, set an alarm on your cell phone. Don't forget this, because there's not going to be a replay. You get an opportunity to see awesome advertising that will get you buyers and sellers. So again, that's going to be tomorrow. Set your alarm for 1:50 Eastern Time or 10:50 a.m. Pacific Time out in California. We'll be going live. Got some awesome info. So I think you'll find good value in this. Hopefully you're having a good Sunday. You're not watching all the crap going on right now. You're actually working on growing your business. It's time to make money. Who was it that said you got to make money when there's blood in the streets? Was that Thomas Jefferson? I forget who it was. This is a good time for you to help families that are motivated, that are seriously interested in setting themselves up in a good position for the next 30 years. They get to secure a house at next to nothing in interest on a 30-year mortgage. You get to be the hero that helped them in doing that. I want to show you how to attract them tomorrow. So again, like the page here, follow our page, like this video, follow our page and turn on notifications. I'll talk to you on Monday. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and we have a lot more information to share with you as well. I want you to do 3 important things so that we can start growing your real estate business immediately. First and foremost, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have a YouTube account, you can set one up. It's totally free, very easy to do. But you want to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and then make sure you ring the bell. If you ring the bell, you're turning on notifications, so it'll let you know every time we load new videos, and we load new training content for you nearly every single day. Now, additionally, I've got a big bonus for you, because every week I choose one agent that I'm going to do a one-on-one coaching call with. Let me tell you how we choose them. You'll want to comment on this video below because every week we choose one person from the comments that I'm going to help them in growing their real estate business. So leave a comment below on the video that you just watched. What'd you think about it? Do you like it? Are you trying it? Is it something you're intrigued by or want more information on? Leave a comment below and we choose someone every single week that I have a one-on-one coaching call with. So 3 important things. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and then leave a comment on this video below. We'll plan on seeing you soon.